Hello everyone, my name is Claire, and it is raining in California, finally. And yes, unicorn onesies are the best, so obviously I have one. I'm just gonna walk around in the rain with you guys, because last week took a lot of planning. This week, it's raining for once in California through this amazing drought. I'm just gonna walk with you guys. Hopefully that's okay. Hopefully you can hear me, because I don't have my mic out here either. It's the contraption that is keeping you dry currently is amazing. So let's go. This is where you were sitting a minute ago, under this umbrella, and I'm currently under another umbrella, and you were taped in right there so you would stay dry.
Your dreams were nobody else. Give your tears to time.
Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for walking around with me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to. Hope you have an awesome day. Bye. This is the next day. Like, literally next day about the same time. Not okay. Not okay.